Do you avoid using your stainless steel pan because everything sticks to it? I will show you an easy way to make your stainless steel pan non-stick. You heat the pan up on medium heat until when you add water to it, you will see the droplets are dancing around the pan. Let's do one more time. The droplets dancing around the pan. Now the pan is ready. This is what you have to look for. What you do then, you wipe dry the pan, make sure there is no more water. And then you are going to add some butter and let it melt. And you add some oil. And then you can add the eggs. You can put. You add some salt, some pepper, and let's see if this is working. Look at that. Look, it's working perfectly. It's sliding around, no sticking. There you go. Now you can use your stainless steel pan. Hope you liked my tip. And if you did, remember to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.